This is Shir on Tefila. We are starting at Hanisim with Hashem soon with the Chanukah. We're going to talk about Chanukah, learn about Chanukah to bring the Shefa of Chanukah because we need this Shefa and Beracha. Chazal tell us, like Korbanot that we don't have nowadays, when you learn about it, the Hilchot of it, you bring the Shefa and Beracha. So we'll be talking about Chanukah, but then for Chanukah from now, bring us the Shefa. Now on Chanukah we say, Al Hanisim al Abukan, Al Kebrot. Who saved us from Yavam. Now it's very interesting. Yavan is one of the Arba Galiyot, 4 exiles that we have. We have Babel that destroyed the Hamitash and exiled us. Then we have Madai Paras that they took over the reign. Then we have Yavan that 200 after the building the second Beit Hamikdash, Yavan came and they took over the reign, and they didn't destroy Beit Hamikdash, and they didn't exile Kahal Israel. But that's called Galut. It's an interesting Galut by Yavan. And then we have Edom that destroyed the second Beit Hamikdash. Now Yavan, in the Parashat Bereshit, part of the first is Arba Galiyot. In the second pasuk, Parashat Tohu, and the land was Tohu, empty, and it's totally empty. In other words, empty means malchut of Babel, that avodah zarah, emptiness. Bohu is room, like malchut of Madai B'Chashverosh is only gashmir, materialistic. It's room, it's destructive because there's no spirituality like Chashverosh. Everything is materialistic, and it's very interesting that the thing that we have from Madai right now is Tacht Jamshid, is the room place is next to Shiraz. That's very interesting if it's in the pasuk. The Choshech and darkness on the face of the Tehom, the deep water, Choshech is Yavan, and deep water is Edom. And the spirit of Hashem and the presence of Hashem, Merachebet is hovering over the face of the water, surface of the water. Now it's interesting, why second pasuk should talk about Arba Galiyot? Maharal explains that, in other words, Yavan is very interesting Galut. Yavan is Choshech, and Yavan really did destroy the Hamikdash, contaminated the Hamikdash. He didn't take us from Eretz Israel, but he took away the Kedusha from Israel. It was Metamed, the Hal Israel, with the philosophy, with the disturbing the Kedusha. Everybody is getting married, every girl that's getting married, Agmon Tefila has to be arrested with the Agmon Tefila. They destroyed all the Kedusha of the Tahara. Therefore, there were 2 types of Galut. One Galut is they destroyed the Hamikdash and they take us from our land. Another Galut, they say, take the Hamikdash, be in your land, but become contaminated. That's Choshech, darkness. Because in darkness, we don't see the image, we don't see the truth. In darkness, you see a pillar, you feel it's the person is the pillar. Therefore, that was Machshich and Nehem Shel Israel. They darkened the eyes of Israel. And Chashmonaim, with the power of Tefila, with the power of Torah, with the light of Menorah, which is the light of Torah Shabbat, they fought against them. And they brought salvation for Kahal Israel. In other words, sometimes the enemy is darkening our eyes. It disturbs us, doesn't let us find the emet. Now also, our enemies are trying to make us not to see the emet, confuse us. Someone says that I can't learn, I can't do anything. I say, why? Because of what's happening, the current event that's happening. I said that this enemy is working on you better than them, than that they are there, because it confuses you and doesn't let you think properly. And that's the greatest enemy. The greatest enemy is when it takes away our serenity of Avodah, it doesn't let us focus and to be a good soldier for Kahal Israel, and gather Zechud and merit. That's a good soldier. Good soldier is the one who gathers Zechud and merit. That Hashem, our Shor should help us, all of us, to be a good soldier for all the Kahal Israel, and Hashem should send Yeshua and Nechamut the way that is sent to us by Chanukah.